And so we just ask for some understanding and for some patience. That's why we ask families if they don't have to come to the emergency department, we don't want them to be sitting there for a long time.
A request from one Canadian pediatric doctor as children's hospitals are stretched thin. Amid the respiratory illness season, hospitals across the country are raising concerns about space. And some health officials like Montreal's Dr. Antonio D'Angelo say ER visits aren't always needed.
Most patients that are waiting a long period of time usually don't even need to be in the emergency department. If they're waiting very long, usually it's because they should have gone to see a clinic.
Average wait times range from province to territory and from hospital to hospital. Some like Nova Scotia see as low as 1.5 hours, while British Columbia has hospitals as high as 5 to 6 hours. And Charlottetown's Queen Elizabeth and Prince Edward Island exceeding 10 hours for less than urgent care just this week. If a parent is not sure about whether to bring their child in, Montreal Dr. Lori Plotnick says it depends on symptoms. Some children with a fever or cold who are still active and eating may not need hospital care, while trouble breathing, long-lasting fever, or lethargy are among the signs to head to the ER. But Edmonton emergency physician Dr. Louis Hugo Franciscuti says family knows their kids best.
Anything that makes you say, my kid is sick, there's something wrong with my child, that should be enough of a indicator for you to go and get them checked out.
Ottawa pediatric emergency physician Melissa Langevin says there are other options too, such as 811 health lines in most provinces and territories. But ultimately, wait time shouldn't deter parents if their kids are in need of emergency care.
If you're worried about your child and if you think, like, my child is really unwell, don't look at the wait times. Just come and see us.
Doctors say with the holidays approaching, one thing parents can do to make a difference is get their kids' vaccinations up to date. Langevin notes they are seeing an uptick of flu with symptoms lasting up to a week. And the last thing any family wants for the holiday season is for everyone to get sick. Sean Previl, Global News.